Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming your install media is clean and bootable, because corruption causes this error. Once done, boot to BIOS/UEFI and verify SATA mode, ASI or RAID matches prior settings, mismatches break setup. Make sure only essential peripherals remain connected to avoid driver conflicts, and mount recovery media if you need to restore files. If prompted, choose repair instead of install to preserve data. Otherwise, proceed with a fresh install only after a full backup is created. Now you'll use Windows Recovery Environment tools to fix underlying issues that stop setup. First, try Startup Repair. If that finds nothing, run System Restore to revert recent risky changes. If you open Command Prompt, execute chkdsk to fix disk errors, then sfc to repair corrupt system files, because setup often fails on file integrity issues. If sfc reports problems it can't fix, run dism restore health to fetch clean components, then repeat sfc. Once repairs complete, reboot and retry installation. For final completion, make sure BIOS is set to defaults and boot mode. UEFI versus legacy matches your installer type. Mismatch prevents completion. If repairs did not work, perform a clean install by deleting Windows system partitions only. Do not touch data partitions. Recreate partitions during setup and allow Windows to format them. If the error persists, note the exact error code, try another USB port or a freshly built installer, and test with a different drive. That single change often resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.